In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Synthesia subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can stop future charges with confidence. Start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Synthesia. Typing the name directly into the address bar or using a search engine. Both work. In the results, choose the official Synthesia site. Make sure the URL looks correct so you're on the genuine page. When the home page loads, click Login. That's typically at the top right. Sign in with your usual credentials or your chosen single sign-on method. If you manage more than one account, be sure you're signing into the workspace that actually holds the subscription you want to cancel. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click your profile icon or your workspace name to open the account menu. From that menu, select Subscription or Billing. This is where you can see your current plan, renewal date, and payment information. On the subscription page, locate your active plan and click Cancel Subscription. This action just starts the cancellation flow. It doesn't immediately delete your projects or remove access. Take a moment to read any notices about how cancellation affects your remaining time. Next, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to share a reason for leaving and to confirm the cancellation. Provide the feedback, then continue through the confirmation screens until you see that the request is complete. Most plans remain active until the end of your current billing period, so you can usually keep using the service until that date without being charged again. Look for a confirmation message on the page and check your email for a cancellation confirmation. If you don't see either, refresh the billing page and verify that your plan now shows a canceled status or an end date. Managing multiple workspaces? Switch to the correct one if needed and repeat the same path. If you can't find the cancel option, it may be because your subscription is managed by a team owner or purchased through a third-party marketplace. In that case, the billing owner or provider will handle cancellations. And that's it. You've gone from login to cancellation in a few clicks. Before you sign off, consider saving any invoices from the billing area for your records. If you decide to come back later, you can usually reactivate from the same subscription or billing page.